Good morning. Since we all know that water shots, especially underwater, there's a lot of gargling and weird noises underwater. It kind of throws the movie off kind of bit. So I've decided to just go ahead and do a narration. Basically, you've seen these type of videos already, um, but I do try to specify that this came from an Insta360 1X2. Look at the clarity under the water. In comparison, if you have, for those of you who have a GoPro Max that also has 360 degree and has hero mode. Hero mode would be the same equivalent to what you're seeing here in the video, except that on the GoPro Max, you put the camera underwater and you have a blurry picture. And I'm not talking about 360 degree, I'm talking about just hero mode. Hero mode has been proven that will not work well underwater. It works perfect, it works beautiful above the water, but not very good underwater. In comparison to the Insta360 1X2, well, the results is what you're watching on this video right now. That is very clear. To my opinion, that's clear in comparison to the GoPro Max. So, in conclusion, this was just a small demonstration of what I wanted to show the public in reference to the Insta360 1X2, which is similar to the Insta360 One, except the 61 is not waterproof and it does not have the hero mode. Is the best what I can call it as. But of course, this was just a small video. This is not a comparison. Insta360 is not paying me to say this. This is my personal opinion. As you as well very can see on my past videos, I usually try to make comparison on cameras, and I'm saying GoPro is a good camera, but I believe Insta360 still does a better job, especially for underwater shots. And I'm the underwater type of person. For now, y'all have a good day. Maintain that special distancing. Y'all take care of yourselves. And God bless.